What's up guys, welcome back to TechEncore. So I have been using the Redmi K20 Pro for the past 30 days and I have taken a lot of pictures with it. I have used the GCam extensively. So about 30 days, about 1 month earlier when I got the phone, I made a video how to install GCam, but I could not make the video uh, easier for you because of the voice integration. So I have decided to make another new video about GCam. So in this video I will show you how to install GCam, how to install the config file, and I will go through the features of the GCam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to install the GCam APK. I will give the link in the description box so that you can download it here. So you need to download the GCam APK first. You need to download these two files, the GCam 7.3 APK and the XML file which I am using right now, and you will get the best setting out of the GCam if you use this XML file. So first, so you need to install the GCam. Okay, so I have done the installation of the APK. So now you need to paste the XML file. You need to position the XML file in the correct folder. So after installing GCam, you will find these options and then select the XML file and copy it. And now this is the main part, this is the most important part. So now create a folder, name it GCam. First G is in capital letter, first C is in capital letter, and AM, GCam. Okay, create a folder called GCam. Okay, GCam. Then create another folder inside the GCam folder and name the folder config7. C capital CONFIGS config7. Name the folder config7. Let make me clear again. First create a folder called GCam, then inside the GCam folder create another folder called config7 and then paste the XML file into the folder. Now clear? So now go to the GCam APK and you need to double tap between the shutter button and the gallery button. Understand? You need to double tap between the shutter and the gallery button. And now you can see here is a message, update the config file. So just click update. It will update the config file and the settings that I am currently using now. So after installing the GCam, you will see this is the default screen. So at the left top you will find this icon. This is This icon is for post processing option. If you turn it on, your photos will come vibrant, punchier, and over saturated. If you turn it off, you will get natural color photos. And at the left bottom, you will see HDR option, you HDR and LDR. HDR for high dynamic range and LDR for low dynamic range. And at the top right corner, you will find the resolution mode 12 MP and 48 MP. So it's a very important thing. I normally use 12 MP all the time during the day shots, and the 12 MP mode images come very sharp, and I just use 40 MP mode when I shoot portrait pictures or pictures of human, and during the night time. During the night time, I use 48 megapixel mode for sharper and clear photos, and during night sight and astrophotography mode, I use 48 MP. And the right bottom, you will see this option. This is auto exposure and manual exposure. Keep this auto all the time, just that. And in the middle, you will see the lens changing options. This is the ultra wide angle lens, this is the main 48 MP lens, and this is the 2x telephoto lens. You can change the lenses easily from here. And in the top middle, you will see a down arrow icon. Click here, you will see the main options. This is the flash option, and the second option is HDR plus. This is a very important feature of the GCam, and I always turn it on. I always keep it on. And down, if you go down, you will see image quality, you will see image format, JPG or RAW. You can capture RAW photos. And here is timer, and at the bottom you will see image aspect ratios. So you can see here is 16:9 options and 4:3 options. I always personally use 4:3 options. And in the setting, you will see some other options, and you can see here is image stabilization options in the video mode and ultra HD 4K video mode. And in the general, you can see disable locations, Google lens suggestions, filming hints, social sharing, gesture, and is a grid type. I use this 3:3 grid type. It helps me to frame photos much easier. And in the bottom, you will see night sight, portrait, camera, video mode, and more options. In the more option, you will see panorama for taking 180-degree panorama photos. Photo sphere, this is a photo sphere option, is taking 360-degree photos. You will find this option in Google Street View app, but you can take 360-degree photos right from the Google Cam app. And then slow motion and time lapse. So that's all the options, that's all the settings I am using currently. And use 12 MP mode all the time for sharper photos, and use 40 MP for softer photos like human. And in the night time, always use 40 MP 48 MP mode. So thanks for watching. I will come back with another video very soon. Till then, take care.